My name is Neault. I have about 15 years of experience, and I've been with Visions Electronics now for 10 years. My installation specialty would be custom fabrication and interior design. I have the ability to adapt to situations. We work in a very high volume retail location where we service a lot of customers on a daily basis, a lot of cars through the door. But I also find time to do the custom fabrication, the big jobs, because that's really what I love to do. Also do a lot of real basic stereos, a lot of decks, a lot of speakers. We do a lot of remote starters, a lot of alarms, a lot of integration, a lot of OEM integration, a lot of processors and stuff like that. My whole idea around designing that interior and stereo was as if a stereo guy was building that car from the factory with a crazy stereo in it. So something that totally flowed with the car, but yet had a crazy loud stereo in it that was super cool. And that's what I try to do in a lot of the builds I do. I try to make the car look OEM, but with a really loud stereo in it. Or OEM, you can't tell there's a really cool stereo in it. Really depends on the customer at that point and what they want. Craig Davey was my best friend who got me started in this industry and taught me a lot of what I know today, and just really kept pushing my abilities and kept pushing me further. And the next biggest influence in my career would be Jason Kranitz. I've done a few trainings with him, and he really just took me to that next level of thinking and designing and tuning and just doing much better work. I would think my coworkers would describe me as very passionate, picky, hardworking, definitely not afraid to pull out a 15, 16-hour day to get a job done. My biggest challenge I've overcome in this last year has been design and the ability to not build the same looking stuff that I've built for the last 10 years. I was very stuck at building a lot of the same stuff, and in this last year I've really opened up my mind to design and different ideas and taking aspects from the car and throwing them into the design of my boxes. I want customers to remember the details and the wiring of the car. You know, when you pull off that panel, it's clean in behind it. When the panel's on, the lines are tight, the gaps are tight, they're seamed properly. When they get their car back from me, it is everything they asked, plus some. It's not less than they expected, it's not up to their expectations, it's above and beyond, and that's what I want them to remember. I think I should be part of the top 50 installers because my passion for this industry, my dedication to this industry, my love for car audio, my love for all this, you know, I live, eat, breathe, sleep car audio. I love this stuff. I put a ton of time into training. I can never learn enough. I'm always trying to learn more and further myself and do a better job.